Solana's price is about to get very volatile. 100% this is happening. I'm sure of it. This is me trying to give you good information. Keep in mind, I like Solana. I hold Solana. I want to see Solana keep going up. I want to see Solana win. And I think Solana will keep going up and will win in a continued bull market. Realize, however, that Solana is already up 1,000% since its bear market lows. We were talking a lot about Solana down here around $10. We were talking a lot about Solana here around $20. And of course, we still cover it regularly. Make sure you subscribe for daily crypto updates. If you're interested in making money, subscribe to Altcoin Daily for daily videos, keeping you informed and giving you an edge. I see a lot of people excited about Solana right now because the price is up so much. And there's good reason for the price increase. I'll update you on this in a second. However, I think a lot of people are being fooled and don't see the change that's about to happen. Hey, question, at what price did you buy most of your Solana? Are you up on your Solana primarily, or are you more down on your Solana? It's going to be interesting to read some of your comments. For me, I bought a lot of Solana last cycle at around $125 per coin. I bought more Solana when it was around $20 in the bear market. You remember me telling you that I was buying Solana here. Here's the thing though. I think a lot of people, more than some like to admit, bought most of their Solana around here. I think a lot of people aren't up as much as they'd hope to be. Hit the like button if I'm talking about you, or actually hit the like button if you appreciate videos like this. Let's get into it. The good and bad of Solana and the top airdrops to watch for max profit. There's really two main reasons why Solana is doing so well. Number one, its booming ecosystem. Solana DEX volumes surge with over 5.8 million traders driving growth. And then hand in hand with this, their meme coin ecosystem is exploding. Dog with Hat rises to become the third largest meme coin in existence. Why does Solana's price continue to go up? Well, Solana's DeFi landscape is witnessing an unprecedented surge, with its decentralized exchange recording monumental trading volumes and liquidity figures throughout this whole year. From the stellar growth in DEX volume reaching a staggering 26.7 billion in March to the drastic rise in the number of organic traders, the evidence points towards a thriving ecosystem. This revelation underscores the sophisticated dynamics at play within Solana's DeFi ecosystem. So both Solana users and Solana volume is just booming right now. This is just amazing to witness. I think most people think of Solana's ecosystem as what it was like around here, but really Solana is orders of magnitude better than it was. Solana is seeing record high monthly DEX volumes. Monthly volume on Solana has surpassed the $50 billion mark. The monthly revenue has also surged above 20 million in March from roughly 7 million in February. Although this activity is likely driven by the meme coin mania. Remember this. But speaking of revenue, because we're still talking about the bullish aspects of the Solana ecosystem, and again, reminder, I'm a Solana bull. I think Solana is going to do very well this bull market. It has done well. I think it's going to continue to do well. We'll get to a couple bearish catalysts in just a second, but still bullish, Solana's revenue. Revenue is so important to these crypto protocols. Cryptos with great revenue, high revenue, have a much better chance of making it. And Solana's revenue from March of 24 just surpassed 30 million. Solana even overtook DeFi blue chip MakerDAO, whose revenue was just 23 million for the same period. MakerDAO kind of seen as one of the ones that does really good revenue. Well, Solana just flipped it. Token Terminal predicts that Solana will overtake Ethereum. In fact, Solana will overtake Ethereum in daily fees within the next 30 days. This is the chart of daily fees. You can see Solana down here. Token Terminal predicting that Solana's line chart will be higher than Ethereum's line chart. Solana will overtake Ethereum in daily fees within the next 30 days. What do you think? With all that being said, let's get into why this could be the end of Solana's price run. And obviously not the end of the price run in total, but like for instance, right now it's corrected Solana, but it's really only been about a 21-22% correction. And you'll recall earlier this year, Solana saw an almost 40% correction. With Solana being up about 1,000% since its bear market bottom, we're starting to see some things that usually occur when there's a local top. And more than that, a lot of people don't realize some fundamental pieces of news, some different things that I think are really going to impact the Solana ecosystem. So first of all, at the same time, when SBF has been sentenced to 25 years in prison, FTX has begun to initiate the selling of their 7.5 billion locked Solana, or what was locked. Little information for you, the FTX bankruptcy estate is selling 41 million locked Solana tokens for 7.5 billion, according to reports from the block, citing multiple sources with knowledge of the matter. A little information about these sales. On Wednesday, Canadian crypto infrastructure firm Neptune Digital publicly announced that they had completed a strategic acquisition of 26,000 Solana at a price of $64 per token, representing a 67% discount to its market value at the time. Neptune said that 20% of these tokens will be released in March 2025, with the rest on a linear release schedule until January 28. So basically, what's about to change is there's going to be more sell pressure. While these tokens were once locked, now they are sold OTC, and these OTC buyers have the option to sell them. Now, the firm we just went over is basically going to be selling them linearly throughout the next year, meaning that they don't get all of them at once to sell. They just a slow trickle throughout the next year. And, then they basically can sell. And if the price they bought the tokens for, the price of what was all the way down here, they're going to be up a lot. So the question is, will they sell? And it's obviously not even just them. Another one of FTX's creditors said FTX had sold some of their 10 billion sold tokens at a 70% discount. You tell me. I think that this is significant. I don't think a lot of Solana holders know about this. Does this mean that after each OTC deal, the buyers of the discounted Solana are just going to immediately sell? Doesn't necessarily mean that, but they could sell some of it. They could sell the majority of it. We just don't know. You tell me what you think. But hey, Solana's ecosystem is still doing well. The metrics speak for themselves. You can't take that away from Solana. True, but I think we're seeing a shift that a lot of people have not realized. Solana meme coin trading frenzy slows as base heats up. Remember, one of the big reasons why Solana's price hit $200 is because of stuff like this. And now, volume on Solana's decentralized exchanges has plummeted over the past week. Trading on the blockchain is dominated by meme coins. Well, the meme coin frenzy is kind of going to Ethereum L2s now that Ethereum just had that Denkun upgrade, which made creating tokens on L2s so cheap. So Solana's meme coin frenzy, which saw the blockchain briefly overtake Ethereum in terms of transaction volume, appears to be fizzling. The volume generated by DEXs on Solana has declined 61% over the past week. The drop is particularly steep on Radium DEX, Solana's largest decentralized exchange. Their trading volume fell 72% over the past week. And aside from stablecoins and aside from Solana itself, meme coins have been Solana's most popular tokens in March. So, and again, I'm just trying to keep things real with you. That's what we do on this channel. This could be the end in the short term of Solana's price run, or at least maybe we need a 40% correction like we saw back here. Either way, expect volatility. The only saving grace that Solana might have in the short term is this. I really haven't seen this happening on Base. I'll be looking for it. I'm excited about Solana airdrops still. I don't participate in all of them because there are certainly so many of them, but one or two great airdrops can really set you up. So top Solana airdrops for April 2024. Get these on your radar. Check them out. Do more research. I'm going to make a video in the future specifically how to claim these, and not just these, but other airdrops. So make sure you're subscribed. But these are the ones I'm looking at right now. Meteora, with the tagline, "Make Solana liquid again." It aims to transform Solana into the premier trading hub for mainstream crypto users, setting the stage for unparalleled growth. Also, Blaze Stake. It's a fully non-custodial stake pool protocol supported by the Solana Foundation. Users would potentially receive the Blaze Staked Sol BSOL tokens when they stake Sol on Blaze Stake, which can be worked with different dApps into the Solana ecosystem. Sharky, it's an NFT lending space that allows its users to borrow and lend NFTs and buy and hold the Shark X NFTs. The reason for the airdrop could be the Shark token generation event. Also, Camino Finance, it's a protocol that combines lending, liquidity, and leverage into a single product. The KMNO token launch is the reason for the upcoming airdrop. There's Zeta Market. Zeta Market is a DEX that offers the speed and user experience of a centralized exchange while giving full self-custody and transparency for users by working on a public blockchain network. Zeta launch might trigger the upcoming airdrop by the platform. So understand, some of these platforms can say we're definitely doing an airdrop, but we've just seen in crypto so many times, if you're an early user of these platforms, they give their community an airdrop. Parcel, it is a Solana-based perpetual futures trading focused DEX that supports cross-margin perpetual trading on real estate markets. PRCL token is scheduled to launch in April, and it will be huge. Backpack is the first known wallet for X NFTs, where users can swap tokens, trade NFTs, and message apps and connect them to Ledger. The airdrop will happen to promote the Backpack network. Let me know which airdrops you're participating in below. Remember, guys, this is risky business. Anything in the early token stage, risky business, so always be careful. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. Subscribe to our channel, join our team. See you tomorrow.